Hey guys, Donnie Braid here. Just want to do an update video and a check-in on DayZ, show you some new things and some of the performance that it's been having. They're at 362 million in the live trading right now with almost 200,000 members total. You can see this is the Forex. It's been pretty continuously straight up, and you can see the profit. If you had put it in the beginning and left it in right now, it's at over 800% for less than a year, which is pretty amazing. You can see all the contributions broken up here. This is they started out with crypto trading, so as the crypto trading was being worked on, they moved a bunch of the money out of there into the Forex to help us with some returns. So that was something they did just to help us all out, and it was a big help, obviously. And you can see the compounding, it's 807% right now. Annualized returns almost 800%. The biggest peak to valley is 14. You can see the winning months now are 12 with 0 losing months. The worst daily losses is only -4, and the best daily win is plus 5.88. So that's been doing really well. Definitely would suggest the Forex product right now if you were thinking about going into DayZ. They do still have the crypto side, which they are working on, and supposedly it's going to be even better than the Forex. But as of right now, I'm not sure. I'm just kind of watching and waiting. You can see their profit is definitely more up and down. The balance, this is when they moved that money over from this account to the Forex ones. You can see the big drop there. The daily fund profit, they're just about even. So with all that, they really aren't doing that great on the crypto side. They are improving every time they keep changing it. There, I can see right here, it's on version 2, and version 3 is going to be coming out in the next few months from what I hear. So we'll see if they can get that together. They're having more problems with the crypto side. It's not as liquid. They can't move in and out of the trades as fast as they can on the Forex side. It's just a much bigger market. So that's causing some of the problems. The big things that are coming up now, as many of you heard, May 31st, they're going to be going away from this current system, and they're going to be going into more of a hedge fund system. So things are going to change. If you're in before May 31st, though, you will still be in this exact system. They're not forcing anybody to change or move out of this. So if you're on the fence or thinking about getting into DayZ, highly suggest you try to get in before May 31st. And then you at least have your foot in the door in case you don't like the new hedge fund system. I'm not 100% sure about it yet. I don't really know. But I like the way it is right now. So hopefully this keeps continuing as they say it's going to. Right now they have specials going on until May 31st. They're placing 90% of your contributions into live trading. This is not for new. I mean, it could be you could start now and get up into tier 3, and then you'd be available for these momentum packs. So you can have unlimited ones from tier 5 and above until May 31st. And new tier members, their new thing now, if you've watched some of the older videos, it used to be $100 to start. And that would be, you could either pick $100 in crypto or $100 in Forex. The first tier now is a mix. So it's $200 to start now, and $100 goes into crypto and $100 goes into Forex. So it just gives you, everybody will be in both of them, so you can see the results and follow it along for yourself. They do give you equity in Endotech, and that does begin at tier 3 with 1 share. That's also a little bit different. The shares in Endotech, they're supposedly going to be going public eventually. No promises, but if they do, it could be an extra good bonus for getting in before May 31st, because that's going to stop after. And again, they're just saying the same thing. But I don't know if you've ever actually seen the background of Endotech or know who runs DayZ. It is a bunch of people. One of the main ones is Dr. Anna Becker. And you can see here in this, and she's still writing articles. She's active. This is from February 21st, this one here I showed you, but this is for artificial intelligence. She's writing an article about how it's working and where it's going to go from here. They do have some big partners that they are on. You can see Gemini, which is a big cryptocurrency exchange, and it's not that they just say they use Gemini. You can see that they're actually, this is Gemini's webpage. You come down and you can look at these, and you can see Endotech right here. And it's not just a copy and paste. You can click on it just so I could show you that it's legit. It goes right to Endotech's website. And people are like, well, you know, why can't I just go to Endotech and go direct instead of going through DayZ? You could. It's made for larger investors. You can see I clicked on pricing here. And the retail investors here is a minimum of $50,000 to invest. And they take 15% subscription fee and 30% performance fee. Then they have larger investors. They have 0 subscription fee but 50% performance fee. And then if you're institutional, of course, it's a lot more. So DAISY is just a way to open it up for everyone. You can still use the same or similar AI that they're using on their models. You see they have a lot more different features here. DAISY, you don't get to pick your individual trades. They do everything for you in the background. But it is a real company behind DAISY, and it looks like it's going to be a really good long-term play. So hopefully, guys, if you have any questions about anything, you can obviously leave me a comment or email me directly at donkeat, DONKEAT @gmail.com, and I'll try to answer any and all your questions. And hopefully I see you guys into DAISY. And if you have, like I said, if you need help with anything, just let me know. Thanks.